Hey, Katie. I was wondering if you could write up a report on this new data stuff. Um, there's not any rush on it or anything, just whenever you get to it. Is that okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
I need a full written report with visuals on this tomorrow morning.
The two work scenarios shown differ in the strength and type of influence applied to the employee. Broadly, situational strength is the extent to which situational cues influence how individuals' personalities are expressed in their behavior. In the first scenario, the supervisor's instructions and demeanors suggested that the employee could work at her own discretion on the assigned task. In contrast, the supervisor in the second scenario was more forceful and communicated specific constraints on the required work. Thus, the first scenario had lower situational strength than the second. While we have a broad understanding of what situational strength is and how it should work, we often have trouble separating the strength or intensity of situational cues from the content. That is, our understanding and measurement of situational strength is limited by our inability to separate things like the way in which someone is being told to perform a task from information about the task to be performed. The research project I worked on aimed to address this issue. The current study was part of a larger project aimed at using insights based on qualitative data to develop assessments of individual perceptions of situation strength and content. We thus set out to collect many unique descriptions of individual experiences at work. Towards this end, I worked with graduate students in the CASA lab to develop sample work situation descriptions. Then we asked each participant to review the sample descriptions and then type their own descriptions of 3 different work situations they'd personally experienced into an online form.
I'd like you to complete a brief description of one work situation that fits each of the following time periods throughout the day. So one experience that occurred within the first 2 hours of getting into work, one situation you experience in the middle of your day, and then one situation that occurs within the last 2 hours.
To date, a total of 7 participants have completed the study, generating a total of 21 unique work situation descriptions. Our hope is that these situation descriptions will be relatable for a wide variety of people, in particular participants in a subsequent study, who will be asked to report on their perceptions of situation and content in each of several work situations described to them. I would like to give a really special thanks to the PURA program and the CASA lab at Georgia Tech, as well as to the School of Psychology for making this research experience possible.